Hello, friends. Hope you're doing good. Today, we'll discuss how to create cinematic videos effortlessly. Cinema Studio 2.0 on Higgsfield AI is revolutionizing video generation. It can create 4K images, customize cameras and lenses, generate up to 12-second videos with multi-shot capabilities. From images to cinematic scenes, it is an all-in-one platform. Let me show you how to create stunning content easily. First of all, let's go to Google and search for Higgsfield AI, then click the very first link. You can find the link in the description of the video as well. Here, you can see the home page of Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is a place where we can find the most advanced video generation and image generation models. In this video, we will specifically discuss Cinema Studio 2.0. We can also find Kling 3.0 and other AI video generation models. We can also create images, create videos, and we can also create motion control, and we can edit images. Here we can also find top image models, such as Nano Banana Pro, and we can also create AI influencers. We can also enhance skin. Here we can also find mixed media, where different creators can create videos and images using these advanced AI models. Now let's go through Cinema Studio 2.0. We can create videos effortlessly and easily. Cinema Studio 2.0 might change video generation so content creators can make content easily. We can create images and videos here. We can attach images and describe a scene according to our needs. We can also add characters based on our needs. The best part is we can create batch images up to 4 images of the same prompt with different variations. We can select the best one according to our requirements. From aspect ratio, here are many aspect ratios. We can select the one that best fits our needs. We can create content based on our needs. The resolution of images is up to 4K, which makes this one of the most advanced model yet. From here, we can select a grid according to our needs. The grid generations are based on our requirements, so we can select the best grid according to our needs. We can also add reference elements. We can create reference elements, and here we can add up to 4 unique elements in our prompt. The best part here is that we can select a camera for our image generation. Here are different types of cameras, so we can select one that best fits our needs. We can also choose a lens for our video generation that makes the best images for us. We can also choose a focal length. There are different types of focal lengths, so we can choose the best one according to our needs. We can also choose an aperture. Here are different types of apertures. We can also choose recommended options, and we can also save the cameras and lenses according to our needs. Now let's generate an image. First of all, I will enter a prompt. Here, I want to generate a dinosaur. After that, I want different variations of the same image. Then, I will choose an aspect ratio. For this demonstration, I will select 16:9 cinematic. For image resolution, I want 4K resolution of the image. I will select 1:1 grid. We can also add elements in our image according to our needs. If you want to add elements, then we can add elements easily and effortlessly. Now we can add full frame. From here, we can choose the best camera and best lens according to our needs. We can also choose a focal length. Once everything is done, now click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate an image, so be patient. Once our images are ready, let's check one by one. We can see the images are very high-resolution images. We can see both images are high-resolution images, and both are different from each other. Now we want to generate a second image, and then using both images, we can generate a cinematic video. For that purpose, I will enter a prompt. Now we want to create a gorilla. Here, I will enter a prompt, and the rest of the settings are the same. After that, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate an image, so be patient. Once our images are ready, let's check one by one. We can see the images are very high-resolution images. We can see both images are high-resolution images, and both are different from each other. Now we want to generate a video. For that purpose, click on Video. Here we can see we can select a shot according to our needs. Here are single shot, multi-shot auto, and we can also create multi-shot manual according to our needs. We can also change aspect ratio. There are a wide range of aspect ratios available, which makes Cinema Studio 2.0 one of the most advanced video generation model. Using this model, creators can create videos easily for different purposes. We can also select the quality of our video. From here, we can select 1080p. You can also select 720p according to your needs. We can also select the type of our video, such as general, action, horror, comedy, and more. We can select the best one according to our needs. We can also turn on or off the sound of our video. We can also change the variation of our video according to our needs. From movement, there are different types of camera movements, such as static, zoom out, zoom in, camera follows, and more. We can choose the best one. After that, we can select the speed of our video. From here, we can select speed options, such as auto, impact, speed up, slow motion, and linear. We can also create a custom speed according to our needs. We can also change the video duration up to 12 seconds. Now let's add a start frame. Click on Start Frame. From here, we can upload an image from the computer and we can use the image generation. Now click on Image Generation. From here, I will select the dinosaur image that we have created using Cinema Studio 2.0. After that, we need to add an end frame. From the generated images, I will select the gorilla image. Once everything is done, now let's enter a prompt. After entering the prompt, we can also change the video quality according to our needs. Then we can change the video speed by using custom speed, so we can change the speed of our video according to our needs. Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video, so be patient.
Once the video is ready, we can see we have created 2 different variations of the video by using a single prompt. Once our video is ready, let's play one by one. Wow, amazing! We have created a horror scene of a dinosaur and gorilla fight. Now we can play the second version of the video. It seems a cinematic video. So with the help of this Cinema Studio 2.0 in Higgsfield AI, we can create such types of cinematic videos effortlessly and easily. First, we can create images, and then we can use these images and generate cinematic videos effortlessly. With the help of this amazing advanced AI video generation model, we can create everything according to our needs, so content creators and other people can use this model to create different videos easily. That's how you create cinematic videos using Cinema Studio 2.0 on Higgsfield AI. Try it yourself using the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. For content creators, this can be your new go-to tool for video generation.